Maya in, yes, it's called Yemaja in the Cuban system, who is here to become initiated into Ifa, and that's good development. Women are not prohibited from being initiated into Ifa. Ifa never ever said that women should be prohibited. I think the reason for the prohibition of women is actually can be traced to the chauvinistic tendencies of the man over the woman, trying to lord himself and then limit the ideas and ideals of the woman to the kitchen. Everybody needs to get to know the taboos of their life, and the only way by which you can get to know the taboos of your life is if you go through Igodu. And the only way by which you can get yourself cleansed is if you go through Igodu, spiritual cleansing. So everybody needs cleansing, everybody needs to know the taboos of their lives. Everybody needs to go through Ifa, be it woman and man.
You would agree, however, that when women go inside Igodu, they are initiated as Elegan, or Odu is not present. Is that correct?
Yeah, of course, yes. Of course, yes. Of course, yes. Of course, yes. Ifa Elegan is Ifa Obìnrin, because women are not allowed to see the Odu. It is a taboo. It's like tautology. Because Odu herself is a woman. The women already possess some of those spiritual flight, which the orifice being offered by the Odu, the spiritual emblem, the spiritual exposure that the man needs for him to have the complete ordination of Ifa, the woman already have this inside of her. So exposing her to Odu is like tautology. It's like positive plus positive. So there's going to be a kind of explosion within the spiritual realm, which we don't desire.
Hey, Papa. In your opinion, where do you see the Ifa-Orisa tradition or religion within the next 20 years?
Well, according to the survey that I was given by some of my friends in the US, I know that as at the present moment that the fastest growing religion in the world, not even in the US alone, is the Ifa and Orisa tradition. Even there is a survey that I was given by some of my friends in Germany, organized by the Department of East African Studies in Germany, now realizing that Ifa is growing at a very fast pace, when compared with all the other world-class religion, even in Germany. In Poland, Ifa has been adopted as a national religion. So you come back to realize that yes, that song that we sing in Ifa, and also corroborated by a verse under